This is a 2015 Sea Ray 220 Sundeck with an Alpha 1 out drive. This boat comes with the bow and cockpit covers as well as a bimini top. It does have the swing tongue on the front of the trailer. Tandem axles, brakes. This does have the extended platform on the back with the flip down swim step. Stainless steel grab handle. It does have your tow ring as well. Ladders off to the side here. Let's jump up into the boat. Inside the boat you have this nice sun pad on the back with stainless steel cup holders. Starboard side walkthrough with door and storage. You got to step down into the boat where you have your two captain's chairs with flip-up bolsters. Your head compartment, full wraparound seating. It's got your diamond stitching in the seats. This boat is equipped with the 350 mag and it is an MPI motor. Snap out carpeting. It does have a ski locker. Got all your gauges as well as depth, temp, speed, and tack. Rockford Fosgate stereo system. We do have bolstering throughout on the side, so it's all got wrapped leather with stainless steel. Plenty of storage and interior lighting. You do have your wind block on the side here. You do have your full wraparound seating in the front, and this does have the bow filler package as well. You have your anchor locker. And this is the 2015 Sea Ray 220 Sundeck with a 350 mag Mercruiser as well as an Alpha 1 out drive. Thank you.